Hey viewers, welcome to Easy Learning zed-Mathematics. The future is bright. Today we're turning a tricky-looking root equation, square root of x plus square root of x equals x, into a simple quadratic with clean steps. We are solving square root of x plus square root of x equals x, and we'll follow the following steps and explaining clearly. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I invite you to subscribe and press on the bell icon so that you will be always notified immediately we post a new video. With that out of the way, let's first talk about the domain in the question. We can describe it as x is greater or equal to 0 because square root of x is only defined for non-negative x. This keeps our solutions valid. Here is well-guided procedure. First, work out like terms. Square root of x plus square root of x equals x. Combine the like terms. Square root of x plus square root of x, which will give us 2 square root of x, which is equal to x. Now, divide both terms by 2. Divide both sides by 2 to isolate the root. 2 square root of x divided by 2 equals x divided by 2, which will give us square root of x equals x over 2. Next, square both terms. We square square root of x, which will give us x. Again, we square x over 2. Then, evaluate x over 2 squared, which will give us x squared over 4. In our next step, we cross-multiply, which is x squared multiplied by 1 and x by 4, resulting into x squared equals 4x. From here, we form a quadratic equation by moving all terms to one side, which will give us x squared minus 4x is equal to 0. Now, we factorize the quadratic equation by finding a common factor of x squared and negative 4x, which is x. So we write x, open brackets, then x into x squared will give us x, and x into 4x will give us 4. We close brackets. Let's find the value of x. From the factors, which are 1, x equals 0, and 2, x minus 4 equals 0. Let's start with 1, when x equals 0. This is simple, as the value of x is 0, so there are no calculations to be done. Now, let's go to second factor, which is x minus 4 equals 0. First, we put like terms together, which will result into x equals 0 plus 4. We write x, then we evaluate 0 plus 4, which gives us 4. Therefore, x equals 4. Now, let's do a quick check of solutions. Let's check. 1, x equals 0. We use the equation in the equation, which is square root of x plus square root of x equals x. Thereafter, we put 0 wherever there is x in the equation. Square root of 0 plus square root of 0 equals 0. We find the square roots of zeros, which are zeros. Hence, the expression will be 0 plus 0 equals 0. Now, let's come to answer number 2, which is x equals 4. First, we replace x by its value, which is 4, like this. Square root of 4 plus square root of 4 equals 4. Next, we find the square roots of 4's, which leaves us with 2 plus 2 equals 4. Final answer, x equals 0 or x equals 4. If this clear, step-by-step method helped, smash like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment with your own example and share this with a friend. At Easy Learning zed-Mathematics, the future is bright. Bye-bye, see you in the next video.